How to get back iPhone default caller from Truecaller. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, scroll down and tap on the apps option you see there and then tap on the default app option you see there. Further, tap on the calling option and then make sure the phone option is selected, and if not, then select the phone option, and with this your default caller will be set to iPhone and will be removed from Truecaller. So this is how you can get back iPhone default caller from Truecaller. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.